in the day. I am your host, Sock Puppet, and this time we have real breaking news. Now we have sightings of space alien invasions and alien spaceships, visible to everyone. Let's go to Anchorman Greg live on the spot. Greg, in your best Mickey Mouse voice, can you tell us what you see?
No, I will not be using my best Mickey Mouse voice. Back to you, Sock Puppet.
How about Goofy?
How about no? That's right, folks. Apparently we are having an alien invasion. We don't know if they're hostile just yet, but they could be very nice. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are out to do something a little bit different this time. I actually want to do a little bit of a mishmatch of, is it mishmatch? Whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to do a little bit of a montage of roadside attractions. So I'm gonna try to do 3 today, and my first one is this awesome piece that is put together by I don't know who, but it is definitely a piece that I really enjoy. And what I really enjoy about stuff like this is I love when people take things that are no longer in use, you know, trash or whatnot, or just, you know, old Americana type things laying around, and they make it into an art installation, and that always amazes me because I love this stuff. It's like taking things that are no longer useful and putting them together in such a way that are amazing and fun to look at. So really cool. And real quick, a guy went ahead and let me into the gate here. Like I said, I love this kind of stuff when people can piecemeal all this stuff together and make an art piece out of it, you know? So really cool. And let's go on to our next attraction. Like I said, if you wanted to see this one, it is in Anaheim. You can find it on several different travel websites. So keep an eye out on this. Come out here and just check it out. Okay guys, we are now at our second roadside attraction in this kind of back area into a neighborhood, and right over here is the Tuba Tree. That's right everybody, this is the Tuba Tree, and this is a tree here decorated with, I think, roughly 10 to maybe 12 different tubas and a couple other different instruments. And this is also by a man who is a professional tuba player, and well, wouldn't you know, he made a tree with tubas hanging from it, and I think that's pretty freaking awesome. Being a musician myself, I really appreciate anything that has to do with music. Now, I've toured around, you know, to several different venues, and I can understand the struggle. And well, this guy apparently made it because he's got a pretty nice house and he's got a bunch of tubas hanging from his tree, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, I don't know like I said, I don't know the musician's name. If I do, I'll put it down at the end, at the bottom of the screen here. But I think this is so amazing to decorate the front of your house with the thing that you love to do for a living. By the way, this is Placentia, California. It's right by Anaheim, not too far. So if you're ever in the area in Placentia, California, you can come on by into this quiet, pretty quiet neighborhood. So if you do come here, be respectful, come out here and check out the Tuba Tree. That's what it's there for, people to come by, check it out, just look at it and go, wow. Oh wow, would you look at that? Even his license plate on his car tells his story. Pretty freaking awesome. Alright everybody, we're getting back into the car and we're gonna head over to the third attraction. You're gonna want to stick around for that. Trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for that. It's pretty awesome. But before we do that, please, if you can remember to, you know, do a brother a favor, you know, help my channel out by subscribing, like, and commenting on my video. It always helps out small channels like me. Hey, let's be friends. Okay everybody, we are out at our third location for roadside attraction. We are here in Old Town Tustin, and this last attraction looks pretty freaking amazing. Now, something that did happen here is what I feared, that there would be cars kind of parked around it, kind of blocking some footage, you know, but that's okay. We're gonna do what we can, and we're gonna work with what we can. So we are here, and we are here to look at the, I don't know if it's the tiniest one, but it is a very tiny chapel here in Tustin in a parking lot. Check this thing out. So this is considered a family-sized chapel here in the parking lot. And if you do a 360, you can see that there's storefronts here. There's all kinds of stuff around it. Parking cars, parked cars, and just right here, little chapel in a parking lot. Now you can see, as a comparison to this church, to this delivery truck right here, this thing isn't really much bigger. I mean, it's taller because it has the A-shaped frame. Really, if you look at the bulk of this, it's really not that much different in size here. So I was talking to a gentleman just right now, really cool guy. I didn't get him on videotapes. He was telling me that the original, this is a kind of a replica of a building of a church that the person who built this, basically it's essentially a replica of his original church that he went to. Something like that. And also, at one point, this church right here had a tree growing out of it, apparently. Now, I don't know what happened to the tree, but apparently it's gone now, so maybe it died or whatnot, but they patched up the hole after the tree was no longer there. But they built the church right here around the tree. The tree didn't grow through it. The tree was already there, and they built the church around the tree. Isn't that amazing? So anyway, the random people that you'll find on the street that will tell you what's up about a place is pretty awesome.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we are having a space invasion. Aliens from outer space are now trying to take over this world. Let's go back live on the spot with Greg's vlog show. Greg, what do you see out on the field?
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. The aliens have come to planet Earth to start dancing. Apparently, they feel like this is the perfect spot to learn how to dance.
You mean to tell me that the aliens flew millions of light years to make it to Earth just so they could dance? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you've heard it here first on Live Channel 20 News on Nightly News in the Day. Aliens apparently flew over 1 million light years just to come on Earth to experience dancing. Have a good night and take care. Ouch, that hurt.